Example 7, sketch the region bounded by the graphs of the equations and find the area of the region. So again, instead of f of x, we have this f of y equals y times the quantity 2 minus y, and we have the function g of y equals negative y. So first of all, to see what this graph would look like, you're going to do x and y. Okay? This x is actually f of y. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by plugging in y values and see what the output would be. So I'm going to start with 0. If I plug 0 into this, I'm going to get 0. Then I'm going to plug 1 in. If I plug 1 in, I'm going to get 1. Then I'll plug 2 in. I'm going to get 0. Then I'll plug 3 in. So 3 times 2 minus 3, that's going to be negative 3. Then I will plug negative 1 in. So let's see, this will be negative 3. So let's see what the graph of this looks like. So I got 0, 0, got 1, 1, I've got 0, 2, I've got negative 3, 3, and I have negative 3, negative 1. So it looks like this so far. Then let's graph this other function. Again, it's going to be g of y, comma y, where this is really the x values. So let's start with 0, 0, 0. 1, negative 1, and it's linear, so that's all I need. So 0, 0, negative 1, 1, so we can see it looks like this. So the shaded region is in here. Okay, so these 2 points are the critical points here. So this is going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, negative 3, comma 3, and this is going to be 0, comma 0. So now when I figure out the area, the integral is going to be from 0 to 3. We use the y values. And then the one that's on top is going to be this one in red here. So this is going to be y times 2 minus y minus the one on the bottom, which is negative y dy. And now to solve this, the integral from 0 to 3, this is going to be 2y minus y squared plus y dy. And then I can make this 3y minus y squared dy. And now I can do the antiderivative. So this would be 3y squared over 2 minus y cubed over 3. Integrate this from 0 to 3. And when I plug in 3, this is going to be 3 times 9 over 2 minus 27 over 3. When I plug 0, that's just going to be 0 all the way through here. So this is going to be 27 over 2 minus 27 over 3. So now I got to come up with a common denominator. Multiply this by 3. So this would be 81 over 6. Multiply this by 2. This will be 54 over 6. So let's see, 81 minus 54 is going to be 27 over 6. You can divide both these by 3. This is going to be 9 over 2 units squared.